Hello, guys.
Hello, guys. Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, very good morning. Very good morning, guys. Very good morning. How are you?
Good, sir.
Good. So we'll do some questions today, and tomorrow Friday there is a test, but I already didn't put the reminder of the test. Ira, very well.
Sir,
Can I put? Yeah.
I thought I was supposed to put like tomorrow or something. I didn't know.
Oh. Then Friday will come. Then Betya will say, "By I will not give any test because he didn't put any message."
Okay, sir, I'll put today. I'll put today.
Ah,
Put a
we have
message saying
many.
put a message saying Friday is the test.
Yeah, we have many reasons not to give test. I am busy, I am out, I am on vacation. We have many reasons to say. I'm in Pondicherry, Kanyakumari, Bangalore. We have many reasons to say. Okay. So
Sir?
my network went off. Yes?
Okay, so I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Okay.
And even Justin has doubt.
Okay. That same doubt only. It's
Yeah, one
CYP 22.5, question 14. That same doubt only just on is
yeah.
CYP
Okay.
22.5, question
Uh,
14.
So you had told us to
22.5.
do that chapter, yeah, 22.5, yes. You had told us to do that as homework during the holidays, and I got stuck on that question.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Question number 12.
Question number 14.
Okay, just give me a second. Can you tell me page number, please? 22.5, question number 14. Okay, so you have doubt in this. In some of these questions, there is one printing mistake also is there. So
The where printing mistake?
I don't remember this, but it's there that I know. I don't remember which question has printing mistake.
Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus
We'll
cot
check
theta
it.
upon, yeah, tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 plus sec A cosec A.
Okay, just give me a second. Just give me a second. And since my Savior gone to Okay, guys. So yeah, I was cleaning my tab because my tab has aloo gobi sabji over it because my brother was watching while having the. Okay, so yeah, yeah. So tan theta. Okay, I will solve it first. You guys watch it, and then I will explain it. Okay.
Do we need to write it right now or later?
You can write it down with me,
Oh,
but when I will explain it, you have to stop. Okay, at that time.
okay. Multiple times I tried it. This question. Hmm.
यार एक मिनट बताता हूँ. फ्रेंड्स करो ना स्वेटर्स के लिए नए बच्चों के लिए पैंट्स और स्वेटर्स के लिए. सब लोगों को एटीजी चाहिए या फिर पहचान का अकाउंट चाहिए. काम करने के लिए सब मेरे दोस्त ने मैंने उसको मंगवाया एक दो तो मैंने अपने काम में बोला एक नहीं दिया वैसे ही लोग थोड़ा स्केप्टिकल होते हैं फिर ऊपर से ये सब बोल रहे ना तो तब और वो हो जाता है. कई बार उनको लगता है और बात कर रहे हैं ऐसा भी लगता है अपने अकाउंट में मंगाने से. क्योंकि धनी वो रोज लगेगा ना मैं फोटो भेज दूँ इसीलिए मैं बार बार तो सर में बैलेंस करना और बहुत अच्छा बैलेंस नहीं आते तब ले देखो 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 पीछे ऊपर देखो ये तो मुझे देखिए तो देख रही हाय. कहाँ जाना तुमने? क्या जाना? जाना कहाँ पे? तुम अभी चल तो सकते नहीं, तो कहीं जा नहीं सकती, थोड़े महीने और रुक जाओ, थोड़े महीने और रुक जाओ. Okay, now everyone, yeah, now everyone, please drop your pen, drop your pen, drop your pen. Everyone, please drop your pen. Yeah, perfect. Very good, Justin. Okay, now everyone, please pay attention. Okay, so now in this case, first of all, I take this LHS side. Everyone, please pay attention. I took this LHS side. Okay, in LHS side, I wrote tan A as sin A upon cos A. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cot can be written as cos A upon sin A. This
Yes.
cot can be written as cos A upon sin A. This tan can be written as sin A upon cos A. I just wrote the value of cot and tan in the form of sin and cos. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now here I make the denominator same. So here you can check that the denominator of this one is what? I have to make the same denominator. So miracle, what I will do? Like in this case, what I will do to make the denominator same?
Rationalization.
No. Here the denominator is 1. I
Yeah.
have to make the same denominator of the like sine theta. Sine A. So what will I will do? I will multiply sine A up and sine A down like
Right.
this. Sine A up and the sine A down and make the denominator common. In the same way in this also, I will make the denominator same, which is cos A up, cos A down, cos A up and cos A down. Did you understand? Just run. Everyone understood better than on camera? Now this sine A will multiply with this sine A makes sine square A, and this cos A will multiply with this sine A minus cos A like that. Did you understand, Edric?
Okay, so now it will become sine square A upon cos A into sine A minus cos A. Because it's a divide, there's a division sign, no. So the denominator will reciprocal and then you multiply it, which becomes sine square A into cos A by cos A into sine A minus cos A.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I did, see everyone please pay attention again. Sine A will multiply with this sine A, make sine square A. This cos A will multiply with this, I wrote it like that. In the same way, cos A will multiply with this cos A, make cos square A, and sine A will multiply with this, I wrote like that. Did you understand? Now here the first is sine A minus cos A, and here the second is cos A minus sine A. So to make them same, what I did, because I have to take out this common. So to make them same, I take out minus sign common from this. Okay. So this minus sign, when I will take minus sign as a common, so this plus cos A will become minus cos A, and the minus sin A will become plus sin A like this.
Oh, I didn't think of that, sir. I didn't think of
Yeah. So I take out minus sign as a common. So when I take in minus sign as a common, so the plus minus sin A become plus sin A, and plus cos A become minus cos A. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Just on. Ask me if you have any doubt. This is the main crucial step.
Okay. So now,
Okay. Now this minus will now I can take out sin A minus cos A as a common, and minus will multiply with this makes minus. Did you understand, guys? Ira, Miracle, Bethia, turn on the camera, please. Okay. Now, what is this? It is sin square A upon cos A minus cos square A upon sin A. I have to make the denominator same. So I will multiply this sin A with both up and down, this cos with both up and down like this. So it becomes sin square A into sin A becomes sin cube A. Cos square A into cos A, it's cos cube. Did you understand? Now it is in the form of A cube minus B cube identity. What is the formula for that? A cube minus B cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Did you understand?
yes,
Just
sir.
on? Yeah. So now A cube is equals to sine cube A, means A is equals to sine A. So I will write A as sine A and B as cos A in this form. Now sine A minus cos A into sine square A plus sine A dot cos A plus cos square A upon sine A minus cos A into cos A into sine A. So what I did, this sine A minus cos A, this sine A minus cos A will cut. Okay, and sine square a plus cos square a will become 1. So it become 1 plus sine a dot cos a upon cos a dot sine a. Now remember this, many students do this mistake that they will cut this cos a with this sine a. No, you can't cut it. Why? Because the above is two terms. It's not a single term. You can check that there is two terms are there. One and sine a dot cos a. There are two terms are there. So you can't cut this cos a with cos a dot sine a with this sine a dot cos a. Did you understand? So what I did in this case, now I know that both the terms have common denominator, which is cos a dot sine a. So I make the denominator different. Now I've separated. In this case, I separate the denominator. So the one also has cos a dot sine a, and sine a dot cos a also has sine a dot cos a. Now this and this will cut because this fraction is only one. So I cut this, it become one, and one upon sine a can be written as cos a k. 1 upon cos a can be written as sec a. So sec a dot cos a k plus 1. Sec a dot cos a plus 1. Sec a dot cos a k plus 1. This is the answer. Did you
Wow.
understand, Miracle?
Wow.
Yeah.
So I'll give 10 minutes to write this. I'm only in the third line.
Take your time.
Okay, so mm, so why don't you just add those in? See, in the third step, no, why don't just add the sine square a and the cos square a?
Because the denominators are not same. We need denominator should be same. If denominators are same, then we can add it, no?
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. So next, wait. Sine square a by cos a into. Okay. So now. Wait, then how did it become 1 minus sine a into cos a into sine square a minus cos square a by cos a by sine a? How did it become that? How did it
Which
become?
one, beta?
The second line, first step to
Mm-hmm.
second line, like sine square a by cos a into sine a minus cos a plus cos square a into minus sine a into sine a minus cos a
So
is equal.
from this, from this, check, Edric.
Yes,
From
sir.
this, I take out minus sign as the common. So
Yes.
if minus sign will come in front, so here the minus become plus and the plus become minus. So plus cos A is there, so it become minus cos A. And minus sign is there, it become plus
And the
sign A.
next step,
Next step, now you can check that sin A minus cos A and sin A minus cos A, both are there. So to make it simple, I take out common sin A minus cos A.
okay. So then sine a become 1 by sine a minus cos a into
Uh,
sine square
into,
a by cos a plus cos square a minus
no plus, minus,
minus cos square a by sine a.
yes, correct.
So now it becomes 1 by sine a minus cos a. Into sine. Till then, 5 minutes. Sine cube A minus cos cube A by sine A cos A.
Miracle, you didn't understand anything?
Yeah, sir, I understood. Just it's like big sum, no, so it's confusing.
Which part is confusing? Ask me. Any doubts?
Like the sine cube A, cos cube A. Say dot.
So you didn't understand this thing?
Yeah.
So there's a property called as a cube minus b cube.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay, so a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is a property that you have to learn. Okay, so now if I will compare this a cube with sine cube a, so we got that a is equals to sine a and b is equals to cos a. Okay, so I just put sine a and cos a instead of a and b. Sine square a, sine a dot cos a plus cos square a here like that. Now in the denominator sine a minus cos a is there. And in the numerator also sine a minus cos a came. So this sine a minus cos a, this sine a minus cos a, I can cut it because they are in the form of factors. Okay. Now sine square a plus cos square a will become 1. 1 plus sine a dot cos a upon sine a dot cos a.
Yeah.
Did you understand? Now
Yeah.
I did separate the denominator. So 1 upon cos a dot sine a plus sine a dot cos a upon cos a dot sine a. This and this will cut. So this is the answer.
Wait.
Test on. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So now there's a good news. The good news is this that this question will come in your exam.
Wait. 1 plus, so it become 1 by sine A plus cos A plus, plus 1. So it become 1 plus 1 by sine A plus cos A. Yeah.
Uh,
Minutes. I'm almost done. Now today, which question will you do?
we'll do some trigonometric question. Uh, uh, the application to trigonometry.
Done, sir.
Okay, everyone done? Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
Miracle, are you writing or not?
Yeah, I wrote it. So I wrote it.
Okay. This is the question, guys. Now you guys have to do this, everyone, by your own and find the answer. I mean, you have to write chat. Uh, you have to give me the answer in chat. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay. So you guys have to write it down the answer in the chat. After 3 minutes, I will start writing. Don't see on the board. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sorry. Directly. Directly. If you didn't understand, please ask me. Okay. Don't sit.
Are you asking me, sir?
Yes. If you have any doubt, please ask me.
Yeah, I will ask.
Okay. If you are having trouble in making diagram, you can ask help. But I want you to do it because uh, if I will do again and again, then it become a spoon feeding for you guys. Sir is giving home questions and just sit for 2 minutes and then sir will give the answer. Like, thank you, sir. Don't, I want you guys to do it. Like Ira is not getting anything.
Okay. So, a man rowing water wave from like 150-meter high. Okay, so who should draw the diagram and who should solve it?
You guys only do it in your notebook. You guys only solve it in your notebook. You just give me the answer in the chat. Yes, Vishnu.
Some problem with all these questions is you never knowing where exactly it is. Lighthouses are generally kept on top of like a higher hill, and then like that doesn't mention that the 150 meters from the ground up of the hill, or is it 150 meters from the sea level, which the boat is going away from?
No. I know that
Right.
lighthouse is kept on the some height, but in this case, it's not mentioned that there is on the cliff, the lighthouse on the cliff or something else. It means that it is on the sea level only. Okay. If it is mentioned that it is on the cliff, then you have to take the cliff height also. But it is mentioned that a lighthouse of 150-meter high. So it means that in the from the sea level only it is talking about. You understand?
Okay, so sir, I'll tell
Hmm.
you my diagram, okay? So my diagram,
No. Don't tell. I just need the answers in the chat. Okay. I will make the diagram. I will do the answer also. But now in 1 minute I will start. But just do it and give me the answer in the chat.
oh wait, I think I'm trying to solve it and I'm trying at least actually a bit able to get it.
shouting. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Here is the answer. Miracle, you got the same answer, beta? Where you got stuck, beta? Miracle. Hello, Miracle, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me, guys? Am I audible? No.
Yeah, sir, you are.
Yeah. So where you got stuck? Ask me.
Wait.
Miracle, where you got stuck?
Yeah, like in the diagram itself.
Which part, beta? What did you understand in the diagram?
Like in the diagram, sir.
Okay. So basically, the diagram is saying a man rowing a boat away from the lighthouse. So, for example, this is a lighthouse. It is moving away. Away means far away from the
Okay.
lighthouse.
Okay.
Takes 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse from 45 to 30. Means before it was 45, then in 2 minutes it changed the angle of elevation to 30. So means he covered this distance.
Okay.
2 minutes.
Yeah, I understood, sir.
So what was I saying? Miracle, where was I? Yeah, so he take 2 minutes to reach. So it means that he covered the distance and we have to find the speed. We have the time, we have to find this distance, we have to divide it by time to get the speed. So distance divided by time is speed. You didn't understand the solution also?
Yeah, I understood the solution, sir.
Okay. Now, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Don't shy.
No,
Don't
because
feel shy.
yesterday we did these kind of sums, now, so it's easy to understand.
Wait.
Okay.
So,
Yes. Hmm.
59 point, no, 55 by 120 is equal to 11 by.
Sir, I have a question.
Please.
Sir, how did you get 120 there? Like, total time 2 minutes equal 120?
Seconds.
Oh, okay, I have 120. Okay, then
Oh my god. Ira? No. That is not good. Ira? No. Very good. Okay.
Wait.
So
What?
the homework, yes.
Done.
Okay. I am sending you question in the group itself. Okay.
So that question do I have to do?
Yeah, it's a homework.
How many questions are you sending? 3, 4?
Four. Four.
Is it application of trigonometry or something else?
Application. Okay.
Sir,
Uh,
tomorrow please do prove that because Friday is a test on prove that, no?
okay, sure.
To prove that. 2 questions on prove that tomorrow.
Sure. Okay, so you guys have 4 minutes break, then come back, we will have science class.
Okay.
Okay, guys, come back. Come back, guys, come back. That one is Spix one, right? Spix cleaner. No, it's hand sanitizer. So you can use. I am using this for mobile cleaner also. Yeah. Okay. So we were doing yesterday about groups and period. Yes. May I turn on the camera, please? So we did yesterday about group and period. So we learned that there are 18 groups and 7 periods. And each period, if you will go down to the periods, each period has one more shells. Yes, Ira? So like first period has K, second period is K and L. Means two. Second period, shells. Third periods, 3 shells. Fourth period, 4 shells. Like this, it is working. Did you understand, Betya? Yes. So we learned all about this, and now today we will learn. We will read this. I request Jashron to read this, please.
The first
Oh,
period is a shortest
give me a
period
second.
of all. It contains only 2 elements.
Yeah, now you can read.
The first period is the shortest period of all. It contains only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. The second and third periods are called short periods containing 8 elements each. The fourth and fifth periods are long periods containing 18 elements each. The sixth and seventh periods are very long periods containing 32 elements.
Yeah, it
Types of
also has
elements.
18 elements, but the next, no, it has 17, and the next, no, it has 16. 16, no, it has 14.
17. I mean,
14. I
17.
guess 17. 17 is there, and lanthanides and actinides, even though they are separated down, but they are also included in that period only. Okay, period are same. Period means the number of shells the actinides and lanthanides have, it's gonna be same respected to their periods. But they are separated out. Why? Because if we will keep them in the group, yesterday we discussed, if we will keep them in the group, then the next coming elements properties will disturb. So to make them uh, to have the same classification, to have the same properties, that's why they are separated out in the form of lanthanides and actinides. Basically, you will, if you are taking science in 11th class, you're gonna learn, like Betya is taking science in 11th class. So you're gonna learn about this, that this is called as S block element. The first and the two group. The
I
first
know.
and the two,
Wait, this one I
yes,
know. I know all the blocks. I know all the blocks.
yes, good.
Okay. So first one is
This
S
is,
block. Then the middle one is D block. Then right one is P block. And down is F block.
yeah. So Edric, you learn all the configuration,
Yes.
like 1s2, 2s2, you learn all this thing?
Yeah. Yeah, like 1, 2, then 1. I mean, 2, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 2, comma 3, 2, comma 4,
No,
2.
no, not that one. You know Aufbau principle?
Oh, that one.
Do you know about that?
Like one, like hydrogen is like one 1s1, then this is 2s1,
Yes.
then sodium is 3s1, potassium is 4s1, rubidium is 5s1, cesium is 6s1, and francium is 7s1.
Yeah, yeah. So you know all the MOT, molecular orbital theory?
Yes, like 1 1 comma, I mean 1 2 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 2
Very good.
comma 2 comma 8. Yeah, 2 comma 8 comma 1 2
Very good. Okay. So we were doing this. Okay. And I wrote here, like this is called S block. This is called as P block. This is called as D block. This is called as F block. So this is how all the block is given. Okay, all the thing is given. Did you understand, guys? Hmm? Okay. So if you want to write, you can write it down this also. So the F block is separated out from D block because uh, to make all the things. Oh, I made little different. No, I'm correct. Correct. It's correct. Correct. So the F block and D block are basically F block is came out from D block itself, but the D block basically sixth and the seventh elements. This sixth and the seventh period has this lanthanoids and actinoids. You can see that here. 57 to 71 is coming in this part, and 89 to 103 is coming in this part. If you will put in this part, then all the properties will disturb. Okay. So we learned about this.
Okay. So
It's okay, go back 1 minute. I'm just writing. Almost done.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, done. Sir.
Done, everyone?
almost I'm doing last one.
Betya, just turn Miracle, turn on your camera, please.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Miracle, are you there? Can you read
Yes,
this? Yes, Miracle.
can I read?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This part.
Main group elements. The elements present in groups 1 and 2 on left side and groups 13 to 17 on the right side of the periodic table are called representative or main group elements. Their outermost shells are incomplete, which means their outermost shell has less than 8 electrons.
Yes. So basically, the main group are the S and P block elements. We just give the name, no? So you can write that the elements of S and P block elements are also known as main group elements. Just now we learned about S and P block, huh? That S is 1 and 2 group and P is from 13 to 18. That is called as except. Okay, you have to write like this also. S and P block except group 18. Like P block also includes the group 18, which is argon, neon, xenon, krypton, these group. Okay, that group we have to accept. It means we are not adding this group into this. Why we are not adding this? Because group 18 is called as noble gas. Now, what do you mean by noble gas? Noble gas are those gas, like for example, we learned about noble configuration. The outermost shell, if it is less than, like for example, if it is 7, so he needs 1 electrons from outside so that they can react. But
Okay.
noble gas, there's a one special about noble gas that their outermost shell is 8 only. For example, if I will talk about neon, the atomic number is 10. So if I will divide it in the electronic configuration, it becomes 2, 8. Why 2, 8? Because in K shell only 2 will go, in L shell 8 will go. So it means that what is the outermost shell, Miracle? L? L is the outermost shell, and it automatically has 8 electrons. So, Justin, will neon give electron or take electron?
No, sir.
No, it will not do because it already has 8 electrons. It's already in octet rule. It has already has a noble configuration, more stable. So that is why noble gas are those gases which do not react with anybody. Noble gas are the inert gas, non-reactive gas. Okay, they are also called as inert gas. You can write it down. Noble gases are also called as inert gas as they are non-reactive gas. So if I will talk about in the tube light, right now we have LED tube light. But if you guys have that tube light in which the what glass tube light, if you had that glass tube light, so in that glass tube light, the air filled in the glass tube light is neon gas because neon gas is non-reactive gas. Did you understand, Atrix? No.
Yes, sir. Okay. So,
Yeah.
so, so neon lighting means lighting that that is any noble gas, not just neon. So neon lighting means lighting which is used with any noble gas, not just neon, any noble gas like
Yeah. Yeah.
krypton,
But
What
in
about
that
the
tube
neon
light,
colors?
xenon.
yes, sister.
What about neon colors?
The neon colors, I
Yeah,
guess.
same thing. Because the neon color light only. That
Hmm.
light is only called the neon color. The light from the noble gas is called neon color. Not just
Hmm.
light is from any
Like,
neon, helium, argon.
Wait, so like when you get the light up neon slips, those are with the gas, like those gases?
yeah, the colors of that gas emitted.
The colors of the helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon.
Like we know that radiant color, radon.
Yeah, radon also.
Yes.
Radon.
So these gases emitted colors. Okay. So now third one. Okay. So who will read this? Miracle will read this. Miracle, can you read this second one? Noble gases.
Yeah. Noble gases. Group 18 on the extreme right side of the periodic table contains noble gases. Their outermost shells contain 8 electrons, except he which contains only 2 electrons.
Not he. No, it's
Oh,
helium. What is
oh,
who is he? Who is she? He, she, it, and they. Who? Nobody is he. It's helium. Okay. So helium contains 2 electrons. Means the helium is not following the octet rule, but helium is following the duet rule. Duet rule also comes under the Noble configuration. Means most stable. So you can write it down in the right side of your copy or the left side of your copy of the book that helium contains 2 electrons. Write it down, everyone. Helium contains 2 electrons. Hence, helium contains 2 electrons. Hence, helium is helium is following duet rule. Duet rule. Helium is following duet rule,
Yeah.
which is which is most stable, which is MOST, most stable. Okay, so helium has but following not octet rule but duet. So the duet rule is basically most stable. Okay, yeah, read this. The main characteristics are yes, miracle. Miracle, yes, read this. The main characteristics are
can I read?
yeah, please.
Yeah. Their main characters are They have 8 electrons in their outermost shell, except helium, which has 2 electrons. Their combining capacity or valency is 0. They do not react and so are almost inert. All the members are gases.
Yeah. There are some exceptions are there because I heard of xenon, some compounds. I heard helium, not helium, helium, no helium. I get xenon, Ze4F. Like
Yes,
I
yes.
heard some xenon compound.
So, sir, I have heard krypton, xenon, and radon compounds with the fluorine.
Yeah, with
Krypton, xenon, and
fluorine.
radon.
Yes, the XCF4, XCF6, like these compounds we heard because they form coordinates bond. If I'm not forgetting it. So basically, yeah. So these gases are almost inert, but under some condition, like with pressure and all this thing, we can make them to react with the elements, other elements also. So they are almost inert. Like if I will put xenon and fluorine like this, they won't react. But we have to do some extreme condition to make them react. Okay. Yeah. Next is transition elements. Yeah. So I request Bithya to read this. Bithya, Xenon. I mean, this transition elements.
Transition elements. The middle block of periodic table group 3 to 12 contains transition elements. Their two outermost shells are incomplete since these elements represent a transition change from the most electropositive element to the most electronegative element. They are named as transition elements.
Hmm. So basically, they are called as transition elements because they have oxidation state, multiple valency, as we learned, and their electrons transit energy also. Okay, we'll understand with the video. I'll show you one video, and then we'll understand what is going on. Where is that video? Yeah. Give me a second. Here's the video. I need a break. अरे किधर है बॉल सुन रहा तुझे Why don't you like my post? Sir, OTP. Give me a second. There's one ad is going on. He needs a break. He's a Kit Kat break.
Sir,
Give me a second. Yes.
so YouTube Premium is costs only few rupees. It's not that expensive.
Oh, yeah. But I have a habit of seeing ad. So that's why I didn't buy it. Okay. So now I will tell you about transition elements. One, most of the important property. Where is that, brother? Yeah. Okay. So you can see that there are rainbow color salt is there. So okay, I will give you one story also. I did this experiment in my 11th class. Okay, this is one story also. Like I was a biology, like I took bio in my 11th class, and when I took biology, I'm not good in biology. I mean, even though I got good marks, but I don't have any interest in biology. Okay, so my ma'am put me in biology project. Okay, and I don't have any interest in biology. So the all the girls are doing. We will make this city like that. We will make this city like that. There is some greenery, some crafting work because biology is about crafting work. Even though it has some thing, but it's more about crafting. So I used to go in my physics lab to show what math students are doing for their projects. So they are making some Daniel cell. They are making some split diagram, split experiment. They are doing all that, and I have very much interest in that. So when I was in physics lab, so our physics lab and biology lab is very near to each other, like in front of that. Like my like physics lab front is biology lab. So my ma'am saw me, and she saw me. Biology ma'am saw me, and when she saw me, she was seeing that I was in physics lab. And when I was in physics lab, just give me a second. Give me a second. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, so when I saw biology ma'am saw me in biology lab, she shouted on me and she said, "Now you are not allowed in biology project." So in front of her, I was say, sorry, ma'am." But in my mind, I was say, yes, ma'am." Like that, it was going on. So then I was get out. Like my ma'am, she said, You are out from biology project." So then my chemistry ma'am said me that, "Okay, Hardik, you can do this rainbow project." So this is the rainbow project, and I did this by my alone. And I got uh, full marks, and even administrator ma'am, my principal ma'am, she said this is very good project. So yeah, so now the project is this is a rainbow project. So in this there is different salt is there. In this there's a different salt is there. So that different salt is basically what they have to do. They have to um, they show different colors. So we will saw this video first, and then I will explain how it happens. So you saw that he took different salts. And when he took different salts, you are getting that different salts is emitting different colors, different fire colors. Yes. So why it is so? So for example, this is a nucleus. A nucleus contains protons and neutrons. This is correct. Problem in that? Yes or no?
Yes.
So nucleus contains proton and neutron. Now we know that there is shell. Orbital shells are there, and in that orbital shells, their electrons are moving in it. Okay, electrons are moving in it. Okay, so now, for example, there is electrons like here. there is two electrons are there. And when that person give energy in the form of fire, so when he give energy, so electron get excited. So basically, each each orbitals has each orbitals have their energy level. For example, this has 2, this has 4, this has 6, this has 8, like this. So now, basically, every electrons are very comfortable in their energy level. Okay, so if I will talk about this electrons, um, how to erase this? There's no way to erase. Okay, so for example, this electron is very stable in this K. This is K, no? This is K, this is L, this is M, this is N. So this electron is very happy in K. But when energy is provided from outside source, this electron get excited because energy is provided. That electron get excited and went to the M shell. Okay. But this electron is comfortable in K shell. So when energy is provided, it get excited. But after some times, that electrons which get excited and goes to the M shell, it came back to the K shell because this is not his home. Or when he came back to his home, he emitted some color. That color is the salt color. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no?
Well, going
That
back to his, well, going
inside
back to his home, he emits a color. That color is only this one.
this. So you can check different colors are there. Like if I will keep it little bit, you can see this is green color. So this green color is how he went to orbital cells and he releases some amount of energy that is called as green color. Okay, this is called as green color.
So it depends on the amount of energy they release.
They receive, yeah, they receive, went to an energy level, and then they release.
Okay.
Okay, this is how they emit some color. Okay, yes or no? Okay. So, any problem in this, guys? Do you have any problem? Okay. So, I hope you got something new about it. It's not in your book, but I always ready to explain this thing because it is my one of the good project, and because of that, I got a good fame in my school. Okay. So, good name, yeah, Hardik Vashne, Hardik Vashne. So, before that, nobody knows me. But after that, everyone says, "Oh, you are the good explainer. You are a good teacher." So yes, I'm a good teacher. Thank you, Miracle.
Sir,
Okay.
you also teach trigonometry so well. Like that first question of today, it was like I was not able to solve it like a lot of times, but finally
Yeah.
you were able to make me solve it. Finally.
So, Edric, you will get good marks tomorrow. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.